morning. I'm on my way to work, guys. It's a cloudy day, pero a little bit sunny. So, today is Wednesday. So, dyan na sa akong makeup, guys, ha? Kaya makeup ng tiguang. The tiguang is doing makeup. Madala lang, kung si edad, charot. Kumusta man inyong adlaw, guys? Kumusta man ang inyong Wednesday? How was your Wednesday, everyone? Igamit na ako ang camera holder sa akong car sa Shopee. 40 pesos. Cannot imagine how the Chinese made this one. How do they earn it?